Okay, this is part 2 of our nitty-gritty, when to capitalize titles, when not to. We've already gone over places today, not today, right now. We're looking at people and subjects, the title of people, the title of subjects. When do you capitalize them, when do you don't? And the general rule applies here as well. If it is part of a general title, you don't capitalize it. However, if it is specific to a specific person or a specific office, and it's part of the title, then you capitalize it. This, I find, is the most annoying rule, actually. This one annoys me the most, and I wish I could write to the grammar gods and change it. Okay, let's look at people first. If you have a general, I don't even know how you would explain this. Let's just look at an example, okay? We have the senator delivered a powerful speech versus Senator Gillibrand delivered a powerful speech. Both of these are correct. Here, even though senator is super fancy pants, you know, hashtag fancy. Hashtag fancy pants. Okay. Even though the senator is an elected official, is a U.S. senator, is powerful, because the way you are using it in this sentence, the senator delivered a powerful speech. Senator right here is no different than street. It's just a word you're using. Versus Senator Gillibrand, even though it doesn't matter that this is the first word of the sentence, that's not the rule. It's the fact that you're saying Senator Gillibrand. This is now Kristen Gillibrand's title. So now Senator gets capitalized. It's even worse when you're talking about the President of the United States. When you just say the President, I hate it. I'm not going to lie. This isn't capitalized, even though this is the leader of the free world. The leader of the free world only gets a capitalization, only gets a capital P, when the word president appears as part of the official title. When he is the president of the United States, then president gets titled. When the president took the oath of office, president is just like street, even though it's referring to one specific person. Likewise, when you say or write President Barack Obama, then the P gets capitalized, because then it's like 7th Avenue. It's part of the official title. Otherwise, it does not. It's a stupid rule. I agree. Deal with it. So, more on people. Okay? Doesn't just apply for the senator. It applies to family. When it's just my uncle called to say hello, then you do not capitalize uncle. It's just a random general word. However, if it becomes, where can I fit this? Right there, I can squeeze it in. When it becomes Uncle Robert, then it becomes part of his title, even though it's not superficial. But then you capitalize uncle, again, when it's part of the title. No title, title. No title, even though it's weird, it's just the word, title. Okay, last one. That covers people. Check. Now we're on to subjects, as in the stuff you learn in school. Okay, here's a pretend program. If you notice, this is pretend and this is all correct. The capitalization rules here are correctly applied. Any language class, languages always get capitalized, regardless of whether it's a general class or it's specific class you're taking. Languages always get capitalized. That is why English class and French are capitalized correctly. But when it is just generally, you're just generally discussing the subject, social studies, algebra, chemistry, those do not get capitalized. When, however, okay, you have a specific class title, then you capitalize, oh heck, what did I lose? I don't know, forget this, I don't know what that is over there. It may be important. Then you capitalize the words. You capitalize the subject words. But when it is just generally, you know, algebra class was boring today, sorry, algebra is fun. Algebra is very fun. That was a bad example. Tisk tisk, Mrs. Herpenother. Algebra class was awesome. You don't capitalize it. But any foreign language, even though we're not foreign, any language class, excuse me. We are fancy pants, hashtag fancy pants. We get capitalized. We're special unless we're part of the title. That's it.